Hello everybody, SAF Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix a Facebook shortcut but not showing or missing. So let's jump to the video. So after that, open the Facebook app. If you facing the Facebook shortcut bar not showing everything, as you can see, profile, marketplace, friends, notification. So if you face any problem with that or the shortcut but not showing, then go to the three dot menu here and scroll down and click to the setting and privacy option, and then click to the setting option. After come to the settings option, click to the profile setting option and scroll down. In the last portion you can see a option that shortcut bar, so click on that. Here you can see all the things is showing there. So if you want to add something like watch, so you can pin this, or if you want to unpin them, so click to the hide options. If you want to hide groups, so you can also hide this. So that's the process how you can add or um, fix something on Facebook shortcut bar. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.